You ever open your Notes app just to jot something down, and 10 minutes later you're deep in folders, tags, and subfolders? Suddenly, it's less note-taking, and more like you've got a side job as your own file clerk. If that's been your vibe with NotebookLM, Evernote, whatever note, you're using the wrong tool. But what if there are better tools out there? Here are some of the smartest, simplest alternatives that can make your note-taking smoother, faster, and much more intuitive. Let's start with a powerful one, ClickUp. This isn't a simple note-taking app. It's the world's first converged AI workspace. You can use it to plan projects, manage tasks, take notes, and collaborate with your team, and thanks to its built-in AI, it can even automate half of that process. Meetings roll, ClickUp's AI Notetaker listens, writes, and packages the takeaway so you leave with decisions, not doodles. It even helps you turn those summaries into actionable tasks. No more painful meeting minutes. And ClickUp Brain, your context-aware AI assistant, goes further. It transcribes voice rambles into text, cleans up your notes stash, and snaps research into bite-sized briefs. And while ClickUp Docs lets you draft, format, and share notes collaboratively, ClickUp Notepad acts as your personal scratchpad that connects to your tasks and projects. Plus, if you're tired of jumping between platforms, ClickUp Brain MAX brings everything together. It searches across your ClickUp space, Google Drive, Dropbox, and even the web. Every file, note, and voice blip becomes instantly searchable and actionable. One AI workspace, zero scavenger hunts. If you love structure, but you also love freedom, Notion might just be your happy place. This powerful app is known for structured text that snaps into place and an organizing system that doesn't blink. You can add all sorts of notes on Notion, text, images, videos, code, and even bookmarks. Whether you're organizing meeting notes, building a team wiki, or managing a project, Notion gives you total control. And if you ever need a head start, there's a massive template library and community to help you create anything, from mood boards to document hubs. While its flexibility is incredible, the sheer depth can sometimes feel a bit much for new users. Our next candidate, Evernote, is an old favorite in the world of note-taking. What makes it great is how easy it is to structure your notes. You can organize everything into notebooks and stacks, tag them for quick access, and keep your workspace tidy without thinking twice. Evernote's advanced search is another standout. It can even find text inside handwritten notes, photos, and sketches. The only catch? The free version syncs across just 2 devices, and unlike newer tools, Evernote doesn't yet have AI-powered features like automatic summarization or smart organization. Now, for anyone who likes an offline-first workspace, Obsidian is the default choice. Unlike most apps that store everything online, Obsidian keeps your notes saved locally as markdown files, giving you total control over your notes. Using bidirectional linking, you can connect related notes and literally see how your ideas tie together, like a web of thoughts. This makes it perfect for mapping complex ideas and managing research. You can also customize its functionality with a wide range of community-made plugins. Obsidian, however, is not big on team collaboration, and exporting notes can sometimes be a bit tricky. Finally, if your brain doesn't think in straight lines, you're going to love Roam Research. Roam is built around networked thinking, which means that you create notes that link seamlessly to each other. It's like having a digital brain that grows with your thoughts instead of boxing them in. As your graph grows, Roam makes it easy to filter and navigate large networks of ideas, so you can zoom in on exactly what you need without losing context. Now, Roam's not as intuitive right away as some other apps. Its unique structure can take some getting used to, especially for beginners. So that's the list. Some fantastic NotebookLM alternatives to explore, each bringing its own superpower to help you think clearer, organize faster, and work smarter. But if you're sitting there thinking, I wish one tool could just do it all, that's where ClickUp comes in. It pulls together your notes, tasks, projects, and ideas, all powered by AI. So everything stays connected, and you can actually focus on the work that matters. You can even try it for free at ClickUp.com.